Hey friends, today we're going to find out.
What's in the dad's toolbox?
Adjustable wrench or wrench. Wrench.
For tightening and loosening of nuts and bolts. Claw hammer, nailer, or simply hammer. Hammer. Driving nails into and pulling them out of wood or wall. Pliers.
Pliers.
Gripping, bending, cutting, and twisting.
Screwdriver. Flathead screwdriver. Phillips head screwdriver. Tightening or loosening screws in various objects. Tape measure or measuring tape. Tape measure. To measure distance or size. Wood saw or saw. Wood saw. Cutting of wood or metal. Screws. Screws. Nails. Nails. To hold objects together. Electric drill. Electric drill. To make holes in wood, walls, or metal. Flashlight or torch. Torch. Provide light in dark places. Now your turn. Which tool is this?
Tell us in the comment section.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.